Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did the headband wig using the expression braiding hair. So this is everything we're going to be using for today's tutorial, and I used the expression in color 1. I prepped the hair and then I had to use a spray just to give it that extra shine. Most wigs or headband wigs, they actually come with this kind of comb. So if you have them at home, you can use them if you're someone who likes comb on your wigs. But for me, I don't like combs, so I'm just showing you guys where you can place your combs. So you could actually take it from your old wig or you get it from your beauty supply store. So for the headband, you're going to lay it on the wig cap and then you're going to lay it this way to the back, so when you're done sewing it, you know, it's easier for you to actually turn it up. You guys should just keep watching and then what I'm saying is going to make sense. You're going to be sewing your headband round just like mine. Then you want to avoid making the sewing, like sewing them close to themselves so it doesn't feel too tight. So at this point, for people who do not want to sew it round, you could actually cut the headband at the back. Then if you have a velcro at home, you could use the velcro, or you could actually use this. I actually got this from a wig that I actually got, so you could just lay it down so that when you're done, you could actually just, you know, put them together. But for me, I'm actually sewing mine round. So but for people who do not want to sew it round, then you could use the other options I showed you. So now we're going to be turning the headband to the front. So now you guys can see why I said you should sew it from the back. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of sin. So when crocheting the braiding hair on the wig cap, as you can see, I'm actually tying it twice just to give it that extra firm grip, because I noticed that if I do it once, when I'm brushing the hair, it has a way of pulling. I have a very detailed tutorial how I crochet braiding hair on a wig cap, so I'll be linking it down. You can go ahead to watch that. So for this wig cap, it was really soft. So if you're using this kind of wig cap, you know, you have to be really careful. But if you ask me, I would prefer using the other one that is a little bit firm. So if you're interested in making this wig and you want to know if the wig is going to last, then watch the end of the video. I'm going to be telling you how you're going to be caring for the wig. So this is what it actually looks like when I was done. You could actually use it like this if you want. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver So guys, I'll be showing you a very close look how to roll the hair. So you want to put it in the straw. You could actually use straw, or you could actually use skewers. I'll be putting a picture of what the skewers look like. So you use the bobby pin to secure the tip, and then you just want to roll it down. If you're using straws, try to use very firm straws. I didn't use firm straws, so it actually gave me a struggle when rolling the hair. So you roll it to the end, and then you also use bobby pins to secure it at the tip. Then you go in with scissors to trim the excess flyovers.
I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh
So at this point, guys, I was really scared unraveling the coils, because this is actually the second time I'm attempting to do this wig. The first time was a total mess, so you have to take your time to unravel the coils. This was not even what I was actually going for, but it came out, you know, looking like a kinky wig, which came out really nice.
empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
So guys, to care for this wig is just to either always place it on your mannequin head, or you put it in a wig bag. Then whenever you want to use the wig, you just take it out, then use mousse just to keep the coils together, and then use a little water and then a hairspray or a hair oil just to give it that extra shine. So whether it's a human hair wig or a synthetic wig, how you care for your wig matters. I have a very detailed tutorial how you can care for both your human hair and synthetic wig. I'll be linking it down this video. So this is it, guys, for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one.